In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook leads to Zoho CRM. Facebook lead ads to Zoho CRM. By the end, your Facebook lead ads will flow straight into your CRM so you can follow up faster and track performance without manual uploads. Start on the Zoho CRM home screen. Make sure you're in the correct account and have permission to change settings. Typically, you'll need admin access or the ability to manage social connections. Look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Setup. This is where all your integration options live. In the Setup area, find and open Social. This section connects your social channels to Zoho so you can capture activity and, importantly, bring in leads from Facebook forms. Inside Social, you'll see your list of brands. Choose the brand you want to connect to Facebook. If you use multiple brands or business units, pick the one that corresponds to the Facebook page running your lead ads so leads land in the right place. Within that brand, click Add Account. This starts the Facebook connection flow. A Facebook window may appear asking you to continue. If your Facebook profile has already been authorized in your browser, you'll see the option to Use Account. Click Use Account to confirm the connection with the profile that manages your business assets. If you're prompted for permissions, grant access so Zoho can read leads from your forms. You'll need permission to manage the page and access lead ads. Next, select the specific Facebook page you want to connect. Lead ads run under a page, not a personal profile, so it's important to choose the page that owns your lead forms. If you manage multiple pages, double-check the name before you proceed to avoid sending leads to the wrong place. Click Add to finalize the connection. Zoho will now link that page to your selected brand. From here on, when people submit your Facebook lead ads forms on that page, those submissions can be captured in Zoho CRM as new records, ready for your sales process. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the page, verify that your Facebook profile has the right access in Business Manager and that pop-ups aren't blocked during the connection. After connecting, new leads may take a moment to appear, so allow a short delay for syncing. Keep your credentials secure and only connect accounts you manage. That's it. You've connected Facebook lead ads to Zoho CRM using the social settings, selected the right brand, confirmed your Facebook account, chose the page, and completed the ad. Now you're set to capture and work your Facebook leads directly inside Zoho.